This presentation is merely a brief overview of the topics covered in the chapter and should not be considered a substitute for reading the chapter. This chapter covers consumer purchases and buying a car. Please take a moment and read the quote you see here. It is taken from the text. Buying a new car, designer clothes, and a new iPad may be fun and seem like a good idea, but it may be smarter to make do with your old car, get by with less expensive clothes, and forgo the iPad. How will you know if and when you should make big consumer purchases? By developing a sensible strategy that you will stick with so that you are not tempted to make big purchases impulsively. Some people choose to buy new cars every year or couple of years, while others are satisfied with buying used cars and keeping them for many years. Some people buy lots of suits that cost $1,000 or more each, while other people choose not to buy even a single suit. Some people spend thousands of dollars each year on vacations, while others may choose to forgo a vacation so that they can buy a new laptop or maybe a treat like a latte every day of the year. What you spend your money on is an expression of your lifestyle choices and priorities. Making choices that make you happy and stay within your budget is important if you want to achieve your financial goals. Ultimately, we are all limited in our purchases by our income and budget. Once we have decided to make a purchase, we have many questions to answer. Exactly what and what brand will we buy? Where will we buy it? When will we buy it? How will we pay for it? Cash, debit card, credit card? A smart consumer who wants to avoid buyer's remorse will avoid making impulse purchases. Thinking through and planning a buying decision will give you peace of mind and make you happier with the purchases you make. One of the biggest purchase decisions most of us are faced with is buying a car. Do you want to buy a new or used car? Do you need an SUV to shuttle a large family around, or would a smaller, more fuel-efficient car be a better choice for you? Once you have identified a vehicle that meets your needs and has the attributes you want, it is time to consider the price, where you will buy, and what financing you will use. Car loans are available from banks, credit unions, consumer finance companies, and the manufacturers themselves. Be sure to shop around for the best deal, as rates, maturity, and terms can vary considerably. The internet has made it easy to shop around for the best car loan rate. Bankrate, LendingTree, and eLoan all offer quick and easy auto loan quotes, and they will pre-qualify you for a loan if you are interested in having your financing secured before you shop. Rather than go over some of the tips listed by the author, I'd like to provide some suggestions regarding buying a car. First, set a budget and stick with it. It is always tempting to upgrade past your budget, but doing so often leads to buyer's remorse and budget deficits. Second, shop around for the best price. Once you have identified the vehicle you want, spend plenty of time looking around to find the best deal. A little shopping around can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And I recommend getting financing before you buy. Doing so offers you two advantages. First, you know how much you can spend, and second, it is easier to spend days or weeks shopping for the best rate when you don't have the car you want staring you in the face. Trust me, I know it can be tempting to go with the dealer financing and walk out the door with the car of your dreams the minute you find it, even if the dealer doesn't offer a good rate. New cars depreciate significantly as soon as you drive them off the lot. Within a couple of years, it is likely that the new car will have lost 1/3 of its value. A low-mileage used car will not only be less expensive, it will also have a long life ahead of it. If you decide to buy a used car, it's a good idea to have an independent mechanic inspect the vehicle. It may cost $100 or so, but it may save you from a $10,000 mistake, and it will also give you peace of mind in your purchase. You may also want to consider having the used car dealer provide a Carfax.com vehicle history report. This will help you avoid used cars that have had their odometers rolled back, been through floods, or have been rebuilt after accidents. And finally, be sure to carefully read and understand any warranty that comes with the car. That concludes this presentation. I hope you enjoy reading the chapter and learning more about making consumer purchases and buying a car.